Yeah, it's different. It's so different. You know, nag-set naman ako sa utak ko. Nag-set na ako na, okay, it's gonna be a different experience. Pero iba pala, pag nandyan ka na, talaga. Alam mo yung minsan pag uwi ko ng building, iniisip mo ba, i-recap ko lahat ng mga nakita ko na performances that day. And then iisipin ko hanggang maka-shower, hanggang nasa bed ka, if tama yung mga nabigay kong advice and yung mga yeses and no's na binigay ko that day. Because, like yung sinabi kanina, I think that was one of the first few questions. Meron kaming power to change a person's dream or to make that dream come true. We can be part of that dream. So our yeses, it's so powerful. And yung no's namin, it's so hard to say no. Parang sinabi ko kung ako lang siya na as staff, just ko ang dali-dali kong patawanin, pasayahin. Pero kailangan din syempre, we're here representing Filipinas Got Talent and I'm one of the judges, so we have to perform as well. So siguro yun yung iba, so iba yung environment, but this time, ang galing niya kasi ang dami din naming natututunan sa mga nag-audition. So, di ba, akala nyo kami yung nag-mentor sa kanila. But then, feeling ko, ang dami ko natututunan sa bawat nagpe-perform. And growing up, siguro, I'm just very lucky na I was surrounded, and I'm still surrounded with a lot of people. Parang I have my mentors. So, like, I have Tita Cory, I have CLK, I have Inander, Kathy. I have these people na umalalay sa akin at umaalalay sa akin hanggang ngayon. And sobrang grateful ko sa mga tao na yun. And now I think it's time to share what I've learned through the years. I know na I'm very young, I'm not experienced enough, but I think this is my way of paying it forward sa kanila naman na I think ito yung personal na experience ko and I think this will help you. So when I'm there, it's me as a judge, yes, but I want to be that person na you can talk to as your friend, as your sister. I want to be that heart sa panel na magiging comfortable ka. So ayun, that's what I'm trying to do every episode. I keep that in mind. And napapasalamat na ako sa lahat ng mentors ko through the years and hopefully this time ako naman yung makakatulong sa mga sasali pa dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent. So yes, it's different but I think this is my way of saying thank you. So sana may matutunan naman sila. Let's just enjoy. Yes.